Another question that has come forth in my inbox is the difference between an implant and someone who is infested with entities. Can you clarify those two, please?
Okay, implant is a certain, I would say, device, technology, which has been inserted in our energy bodies with very strong electromagnetic forces. It can be a crystal or a certain alien implant, a certain object on the higher planes, which actually blocks the flow of energy. An entity is a being which has been inserted into our energy structure also by strong forces, but it's a living thing, it's a living being.
Now, do you feel that these beings are within our bodies?
Yes, they are within the body, in our energy bodies.
The
So
energy.
when somebody gets in, infected by those, this changes his behavior quite much, quite a lot.
And would you venture to say that the majority of the population is infested with these?
I would say that more than 99% of human population is infested by so-called invisibles. They're actually beings who infest the etheric brain and seriously compromise the thinking process and the way people perceive reality.
Wow.
Uh, this is something that I will write about when the time is right and give more information about. And there are forces of light currently um, dealing with that situation quite intensively, and there is great progress being made with this since the activation of the ion portal. So I would say, although almost everybody is still infected, the severity of that infection has been greatly decreased since the activation of the ion portal.
God, that's amazing. So does that also indicate the difference between the masses versus the 144,000, for example?
Even many of those 144,000 have been infected. And this is the main reason why the light workers have not been able to unite on the planet. You see, the cabal has their Bilderberg meetings, and they're able to get along with each other well enough to make strategic plans. But we, on the other side, the light forces, the people on the surface of the planet, has not been able to gather together physically and to create a strong, unified group to promote a positive agenda. And the reason why it's so it is because of those invisibles that have actually infested the thinking process of also the light warriors, light workers, people in liberation movement. It's not just the reptilians. This is another layer. So the thinking process has been compromised, and people are not able to devise a clear strategy and to understand what is at stake to make the right decisions.
Well, I mean, we've come a long way though, right? I mean, you
That's
still,
true.
yeah,
But
we
I'm
just have,
speaking about the final breakthrough now. I'm speaking about
right.
the event. I would like to manifest the event.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you and
this
me
is
both.
this is why I'm exposing those things because I would like to remove all the obstacles towards the event.
No, I agree.